Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So we got two ways how we can do that, and I'll show you both. On the first one, you should just go here into the settings application and then click here to the Wi-Fi section. Now just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher here, and you'll see here all of the available networks, and you can select one from these networks. For example, I'll go with the first one. Here just click enter your device password. By click here once on this eye icon, you can see the password to have no sound mistake, and then just click to connect. And as can you see, that's really easy. By the same way, you can select the another network, just click here once, enter the password and tap to connect. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And the second way is just the same, really simple. You just should open the notification panel and then click here once on the Wi-Fi icon, just to select the network, hold Wi-Fi icon for a second, and you'll see here again the Wi-Fi settings. By the same way, just select the one from the available networks and click here to connect. And just to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.